Here's how to permanently delete your Google accounts on your iPhone or Android. Now just open up a web browser, Safari, Chrome, and go to google.com. Now at the very top right, you should see your profile picture. Just tap on your profile picture and of course just make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to delete the Google account. Make sure it is the correct one. Of course, you don't want to delete the wrong account. After you've done that, let's tap on Manage Your Google Account. And then towards the middle, we'll tap on Data and Privacy. This will go through all of your data associated with your Google account. Keep in mind, you might want to download all of your data associated with your account before you go through the process of deleting it, because after that, you won't be able to get it back. After you're ready to go, we can scroll down to the bottom and you can see it says Delete Your Google Account. Now on here it says, please read carefully. This is not the usual yada yada. It will delete all your Gmail, your YouTube, your Google Drive, your calendar, all of that information will be permanently deleted. So you might want to download it first. When you're ready to go, just tap on the yes, I acknowledge, yes, and then tap on the delete account button and it will be permanently deleted.